Today we'll be going over the installation of a Torklift NorthHitch part number X7907 on a Chevy Silverado. The truck in this demonstration is a 2025, and the installation may vary slightly on older model years. Start by removing all the screws securing the lower air dam to the front bumper. Remove the air dam and set aside. Remove the screws holding the center panel. Then remove the panel. Keep all screws for reinstallation. Using the guidelines in the instructions, trim an access port in the bracket that held the center panel. Then trim another port in the panel itself. Remove and discard the 4 bolts securing the 2 tow hooks. Remove the 4 bolts holding the skid plate in place for better access while installing your hitch. Insert a bolt, star washer, and plate washer through the large hole on each side of the frame. Insert a bolt and washer into each hole and through the tow hooks on the frame. Now raise the hitch into position and push the previously installed bolts into place. Secure the bolts with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. You can now torque all hardware to the recommended specifications. Reinstall the skid plate. Then reinstall the center panel. Finally, reinstall the lower air dam. Your NorthHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.